So definition for istisna. Istisna is a contract in Islamic finance where a seller agrees to construct, build, or manufacture an asset according to specified requirements and deliver it to a purchaser at an agreed upon price and future date. So the contracting parties and conditions. First is seller, and then buyer. Seller is Sani, the party who undertakes the manufacture, and the buyer is Mustasni, the party who orders the manufacturing, and the condition is legal capacity, mutual consent, clear terms and offer and acceptance. And the subject matter and decision. First is it include anything that can be custom built, and the condition is specification, manufacturing process, delivery time and price and payment. The arrangement with other contracts. There are two of it. First is parallel istisna. The condition is independence, clear right and obligations, no direct linkage. And second is istisna with murabahah. The condition is it should only occur once and the terms clearly defined.
Next, we move to the comparison with related academic journals. So our group already took 3 articles that really related to the istisna. The first article is written by Sari on 2022 about transaction agreements through internet media electronic system e-commerce in the perspective of civil law and Islamic law. In the summary, this article is written about a contract of istisna that being used in the e-commerce nowadays that related to the traditional trade principles. So, reflect to the BNM Shariah standards, it cannot deny that istisna being used in the e-commerce as long as it fulfills all the 5 components that make sure the contract is Shariah compliant. The second article is about risk of istisna contracts in Shariah commercial banks that written on the 2022. In the summary, this article specifically revealed about the risk of istisna contract in Shariah commercial banks. So the bank really identified the risk, including risk identification, risk evaluation, and contractual obligations. So through the BNM Shariah standards, it is stated that the IFI already established comprehensive risk management policies and procedures and so on. And the last article is about implementation of istisna contract in household equipment buying transactions that written by Fatah on 2023. The article is mentioned that in Potowandaya village as their sample also apply the istisna contract in purchasing their household appliance there. So they mention about the payment system there, which is they can buy either using cash or also installment. So we can look through the BNM Shariah standards about the payment mode. So in istisna contract, actually it can be paid at any time, such as using spot, progressive or deferred, either by using installment or bullet payment subject to the agreement of the contracted parties, as long as the price and the payments have the mutual agreement between the contracted parties.
Critical analysis of istisna financing. First, Shariah issue. Istisna financing must comply with Islamic principle. First, ability of deferring payment and delivery. Second, implementation challenge. Lack of awareness and understanding among business and financial institutions. Liquidity of financial claims for istisna contract is a concern for investor. Third, market practice be a theoretical standard. Gap between theoretical potential and actual market uptake. Only a small fraction of Islamic financing in Malaysia involve istisna. The fourth is innovation and flexibility. Parallel istisna contract can distribute risk effectively. Flexibility allows for modification to meet specific project needs within Shariah bank. The fifth is strengths of the articles. Comprehensive analysis with empirical data for interview with key stakeholders. The sixth is limitation. Small sample size may not capture industry diversity. Focus on Malaysia limits generalizability to other regions. Seventh, ways to improve the article. Incorporate more empirical data and case studies. Provide detailed examples of successful istisna projects. The conclusion is the synthesis of insight from the 3 articles provide a comprehensive understanding of istisna financing, highlighting the need for continued research, innovation and collaboration among all stakeholders to realize its full potential.